Historically, and even sometimes presently, we were conditioned to believe that we had no value, that we were worthless and inferior, and others were superior. When in fact, the opposite is true. As human beings, we are given the most powerful tool that one could ever possess. That tool is the human mind. The mind has the ability to create any life that you can have or imagine. Similar to a garden, all you have to do is plant seeds and it will produce results. Instead of seeds in the soil, you plant words or thoughts in your mind, and the subconscious mind will assist with producing results. Whether good or bad, what you think about, you bring about. Imagine that power and control over your mind in the hands of someone else. This was our history. This was our fate. For hundreds of years, seeds were planted and carefully cultivated to produce the results that were needed to control an entire race of people. But when there is an awakening, control can be restored to its rightful owner. No human being has the right to condition, control, or prevent another human being from reaching his or her full potential. You are the master of your own fate. No other master should be allowed to control that. The privilege to excel was granted to all by God. Take back your God-given right and use your powerful tool, your mind, to carve a path towards greatness. One of the higher faculties of the mind is your imagination. Use your thoughts to imagine an abundant life. Encourage your children to use their imagination. Encourage them to see outside the walls of their current life. Plant these seeds early so that they may take root and grow. Carefully mind their garden and remember to stand guard, assuring that no intruder will plant their own seeds to harvest. This time, you control the narrative. You become great by recognizing the power and control of your mind and using it. Even with hundreds of years of negative conditioning, you still prove how powerful and valuable you are to the world with your influence in music, sports, fashion, dance, and countless other categories. What you are capable of doing, the world hasn't even seen yet, once you are in full control of the narrative. Just imagine your future controlled by your own words. Imagine it. Imagine.